In this video I will show you how we can add bitmap images, and then how we can add symbols on a font. So not just the default font characters, we can also add like symbols like pound, etc. So first I will need to add a bitmap image. So what we can do is we can either use the LVGL image converter, select an image, the format, and convert it, and then once it converts it will download the bitmap, and you can then copy and paste it into your Arduino folder. The way I will do it is, instead I'll use the EEZ Studio option. So it's got a bitmap on the side. Click on add, give it a name, needle 1, select the image,
there's no way that could be a Wookiee. What the hell?
and then by the way, this image is will be included in the assets folder, and then you have to select a color format, so RGB 565, click OK. Now the image has been added, and when we do a build of this project, it will create a bitmap C file. So now let's add an image object, centralize it.
These guys are noobs. Let me push this guy.
And then select the image. There you go. If you centralize this, now what will happen is if we rotate it, the image, if you set the rotation of the image, what will happen? It will just go all the way.
Whoa.
Sometimes you want to display special characters in our font. So let's say we want to use the British pound, so we create a label, set the text color to something more bright, and if you set the text to, let's say, pound GBP, and we set the font to 20 or 30. Notice the pound symbol is not displayed. So what we'll have to do is, because pound is a special character, we'll have to add the font. Add. I use the Orbitron font, so you can use any fonts from Google Fonts or somewhere else, and let's say I'm going to say 30 pixels. So this is to identify the font will be Orbitron 30. So here we set the size. This I leave as it is, and here we can specify any specific symbols we want to display. So pound, for example, the British pound. Now we load the font file, let's say OK. Notice still it's not displayed. So now if we change the font for this label to Orbitron 30, see the pound symbol has arrived. Other thing you can do is you can edit fonts. So let's say we want to edit this font we added earlier. So if you click on the font, here you got the edit option. It shows a list of fonts here. If you click on that, let's say you take the pound sign off. Now if you go to your main screen, you see the pound sign has disappeared. So you can edit back by clicking on the font, edit, and the font, the symbol, in this case pound symbol, click OK, go to your main screen, and see it's been added. GUI is ready. We know how to add image and the font and how to edit it. Save, build, go to your EEZ project folder, copy all the files, paste it into your Arduino sketch folder, and now you go to your Arduino sketch, and the only thing you'll have to do is you'll have to make one change, because in my machine, if I leave all this, it doesn't compile. So I'm going to copy all this. I'm going to copy that one line and replace it. And now if you go to your sketch, you'll see that all it's doing is it's generating a random value, setting the needle rotation, and then updating the label. And that's it. Now if you click on